Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to hide the text message notifications in this device. For this, simply go to settings, tap on the option notifications, then tap on the option app notifications. So here you can see all the applications, and from here you need to select the application messages. Okay, now this is turned on. Tap on this one. Okay, so first of all, if you don't want to view, if you want to hide the message notifications, first of all we need to disable this option, allow notification. We need to take the permission from here. Okay, so if you disable this option, then you will get the message, but you will not get any notification from the message application. Okay, so simply in this way we can hide the text message notifications at this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.